A is cecum, D is the ascending cola, E is the right colic flexure, C is the haustra, the little pouch thing, B is the taenia coli, this thing that's running all the way across, J is the ilium, K is the greater omentum. In here is, it's not labeled. There's no I. Isn't this the ileocecal valve?
Yeah.
Ileocecal valve. L, pancreas, and S is the left colic flexure. G is the descending colon. N is the ampulla of Vater, or what else is it called? The something. Whatever. M. Is this M? Oh, duodenum.
Yeah, duodenum.